Hi, this is Steven, and in this tutorial I want to talk about double transforms that may happen when using the parenting tool or parenting action in Autodesk Maya. So let's start off with two objects. I'm going to duplicate those, and I'm going to scale. Just hit the R key and scale this one, and I'm going to scale this one slightly different. And I'm going to parent this box to the bottom, and I click that as the child and then click this as the parent by hitting P. Now I have a parent relationship where I hit the parent, they're both selected. If I move the parent, the child goes with it. Alright, so double transformations, what is that? So if I click the child and I move it, everything's fine. If I scale it, everything seems fine. However, if I rotate it, things get weird. It's changing my box to very odd shape. This is weirdness and wonky. So that's not usually what I'm looking for, and it can be very frustrating. So that's double transformation. What's causing that? Well, when I built this using the scale tool, and doing so it changed these from 0 to other values. This was the same. So now let's build something, and we'll do it the same way. I'm just going to, so the scale values aren't correct, I'm going to just duplicate it. Now this is fine as long as I go and take these back to 1. And the way I can do that is first, you can always build from your inputs here. And I guess that's the best way to do it, instead of scaling to size. I like scaling to size. It gives me a lot of freedom. And I can click these values and middle mouse drag and kind of get some of the same interaction I had with the scale tool. And that keeps my values clean here. But suppose I like modeling with the scale tool. There is a freeze transformation button in modify freeze transformation, which is going to clear out the translate and rotate to 0 and the scale to 1. You click that and notice that it goes to 1. I'm going to hit the G key to repeat, which does another one. So now I parent, I move, nothing happens. I move this, I rotate this, and it stays undeformed when this one was having all sorts of weird deformations. So to avoid that, keep your values 1 here, and model the creation tool. That may help as well. Now notice if I'm selecting the marquee where I select the parent and the child, I will still get that double transformation. So just remember that if you want to move something as a parent, just select the parent, and you won't get the double transforms, because what you're saying is, hey, I want to move the parent and the child this far. So it's moving, the child is already going to receive the translate of the parent, and it's going to receive an extra translation. So those two things, scale and be careful in selecting. Don't select the child twice, and you shouldn't have as much problem with double transformations. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.